Welcome. Imagine standing in the rain, surrounded by a city alive with light. Everything is in flux, the glow of golden streetlights reflecting on the wet pavement. Skyscrapers fading into the mist, and the blurred headlights of passing cars. The scene is fleeting, impermanent, yet profoundly beautiful. Today, I'll attempt to capture this moment. A fleeting instant of ever-changing light. Painting it alla Prima, directly, boldly, and in one sitting. The first strokes are like an orchestra, tuning before a performance. Chaotic, full of potential. I start with blocking the scene with broad, deliberate swipes of colors, defining the palette. This isn't about detail. It's about structure, light, and movement. The city emerges not as a static place, but as an idea, a memory. The light isn't fixed. It shifts with every glance. Here, the wet pavement becomes my canvas within a canvas. A place where reflections bend and distort reality. A palette knife captures the texture of rain-soaked streets, while quick, fluid movements suggest the blur of motion. Every mark is an attempt to paint time itself. Alla Prima is an Italian term meaning at first attempt. Where the artist works wet on wet, completing the painting in one session. Above the street, the skyscrapers dissolve into the mist. Their lights faint and diffused. This part of the painting is a study in restraint, using ultramarine and hints of alizarin crimson. I soften the edges, letting them fade into the background. The sky is not empty. It holds the city's glow, refracted from the rain. Thin glazes of paint create this effect. A subtle, almost invisible gradient, where light meets atmosphere. The abstract nature of these shapes invites interpretation, encouraging the viewer to fill in the gaps. In the end, painting a scene like this is not about perfection, but presence. Every stroke is a response to the light as it shifts and changes. Just as it does in the real world. To paint alla prima is to embrace the impermanent, to chase the light before it fades, and to find beauty in its transience. And then there are the electric wires, thin, precise lines that span the scene. They tie everything together. These lines ground the painting, adding structure and perspective to the otherwise fluid composition. The wires represent the interconnectedness of this moment. The city's hum, the lives moving through it, and the fleeting beauty of light and rain. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe.